Alright, just 2 docks to go, so hang with me here. We're going to go up on what I believe is B dock. This may be it. Maybe this is B and A. We'll have to go look at the sign, but anyway, it appears to be the last dock here because from over there, looks like private residences. I don't think there's much more there. Sailboats, and I see another main ship over there. We'll go take a peek at that. Main ship there. We'll see that on when we come out. I see another main ship over here somewhere. Right there she is. Another Silverton, 39 footer. Sundancer again. Let's take a look and see what this boat is here. Bertram, yes, that's what I saw, that emblem. I was pretty sure that's what it was, Bertram. Carver 405, half cabin. And a main ship 430, one of the bigger ones that main ship made. I don't think they made anything bigger than that, but it's a nice boat, very nice shape, got that blue hull. New folks that had a 430 main ship traveled the loop with us for some time. Grand Mariner, another nice looking classic boat here. I believe it's a Grand Banks. Yep. Beautiful. Silverton, I believe that was, and another 480 Sea Ray sedan bridge. Sea Ray 450. Yeah, so we've got the bigger boats over here. Not supersonic, I like that. KNOT, supersonic of the Fever 49. Very seaworthy boat. Also had friends, a couple friends that had the Fevers. Very well made boat. And here's another main ship. My goodness. Right across from the Here's to Us. You can see the Here's to Us is sitting over there just to orient you. Another main ship. This is us, huh? Like our name, the Here's Us. A Larson. Sundancer and Tierra. Got to meet these folks. Vita Brevis, short life. Yes, it is, so you should enjoy it. Seize the day. Somehow I think I met these folks as well. Life's Grand, and they've named their Dink Dewdrop. Very interesting little dink there that they have on the Grand Banks. To all the boating fans out there, I'd like to invite you to sign up for our newsletter at whatyachttodo.com. We'll send you a free Great Loop overview plus several free boating goodies that you can use right now.
Plus, in each newsletter, I write a Captain's Corner to address what you've asked about in your comments, emails, and messages. So sign up today.
Yeah, so Dewdrop on the Grand Banks. Naming their dink, a little 2.5 horsepower, but like a nice little sturdy dinghy that you don't have to worry about blowing up. Keep it inflated. Simple abundance. Alright, so I think this is B dock, and there may be a very short A dock over here that I spied, so we're going to go see. But in any case, we are nearing the end of this La Paloma, older sailboat. Kind of take a look at the lines in that. Different. Yes. Yeah, very nice. So make our way up here to the end. Sailboat after sailboat after sailboat, and then a couple power boats here, and again another Sabre I spy down east type boat. And I don't know, that's a 40, probably a 40 foot, 39 or so, I don't know. Sabre, beautiful. Life's too short. Yeah. Silverton and a Tiara. And another quality boat, the Tiara. So let's look over here because I think we're at the end of the road here. So let's go up here and see what the sign says. Haven't been down this way in 2 months. This is B dock. Okay, so that was B dock. So there must be an A dock. Let's go see if we can find it. This is probably it. Sailboats. Along the wall here. One meridian tucked in there. Bow in. I would imagine it starts to get shallow in here, although these sailboats generally have at least a 4-foot draft. Some of these bigger ones, unless they have a swing keel on them. And here we are. I think we're at the end of the road, so who knows though. I'm going to follow this trail up here and see what we got. Maybe there's a hidden A dock somewhere. Who knows? Let's go around the corner. Well, we are around the corner, and I think that's it. There is no A dock. So, kind of at this little sitting area here between C and D docks, looking out. Nice place in the evening to sit up here, just have a wine, look out over the entrance to this wonderful marina. So I hope you enjoyed the tour. I know it was a little bit long, but hey, you can come back to it and watch parts of it a little bit later.